Hi guys, welcome to Top GK Facts. Today we are going to discuss about most important history questions of Mughal Empire. This is part 2. After part 1 we are continuing in this video. For more videos subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. 11 question. Akbar was died in which year? Options are on the screen. Correct answer is option C 1605 on 27 October. 12. What is the name of Akbar's biography? Correct answer is option B, Akbarnama. 13. Ain-e-Akbari and Akbarnama were written in Persian language by whom? Correct answer is option A, Abul Fazl. 14. What is the name of autobiography of Babur? Right answer is option C, Babarnama. Babarnama is also known as Tuzuk-e-Babri. Babur written his autobiography Babarnama in Turkish language. 15. Who wrote Humayun Nama? Correct answer is option D. Gulbadan Begum. Gulbadan Begum was the daughter of Mughal Emperor Babur and the sister of Humayun. Next question. Who is known as Khurram? Options: Aurangzeb, Humayun, Jahangir or Shah Jahan. Correct answer is option D, Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was the fifth Mughal emperor. He reigned from 1628 to 1658. 17. The original name of Mumtaz Mahal was. Correct answer is option A, Arjumand Banu Begum. 18. Who was the chief architect of Taj Mahal? Correct answer is option D, Ustad Ahmad Lahori. With the help of more than 20,000 workers, Ustad Ahmad Lahori made this seventh wonder of the world in Agra on the bank of Yamuna River. He started to build the Taj Mahal from 1632 and it was completed in the year of 1653. 19. When Shah Jahan built Red Fort or Lal Killa by the chief architect of Ustad Ahmad Lahori. A. 1638, B. 1639, C. 1632 or D. 1648. Right answer is option B 1639 and it was completed in 1648. 20. It is very important question. The capital of Mughal Empire was shifted from Agra to Delhi in 1638 by whom? Correct answer is option A, Shah Jahan. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.